I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold. I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine, and for today's video, I wanted to try out a brand new affordable makeup brand from Shopee. This is called the LEMOOC or Lemo Cosmetics, and I have some of their items right here to try out. So if you're interested to know more about these makeup products, then just keep on watching. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this brand. I think it is LEMOOC, and they were really kind enough to send us some of their items. And just a disclaimer guys, even though this brand sent us a few of their items, I'm still going to share with you my pure and honest thoughts about this brand and their makeup products. And I also have few items right here that I purchased with my own money. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. So, LEMOOC is an affordable China-based makeup brand which is available on Shopee. I will have the link of their official store down below in the description box, as well as all the links for these makeup products that I will be trying out from their brand. So, since LEMOOC is just starting out as a brand, they still don't have a full face of makeup items yet. So they actually don't have any primer, foundation, or concealer, but they do have a loose powder. So we're going to try this one out, and we are also going to try out this sponge that they gave us as a freebie. So the beauty sponge comes in this cute little Ziploc bag, and then the sponge looks like this. I usually love this kinds of sponge that has a flat edge, and I also love that it comes with a pointed tip. This helps me to blend out any smaller areas on my face. So I'm just going to wet this sponge. I just wet the sponge, and it's much more bigger now, and it's much more bouncier than it was when it was dry. So that was nice. It's not as soft as other sponges I have in my collection. It is still more dense, but I think this will really work. It's not that bad at all. So let's go ahead and apply our base makeup. So let me just apply some moisturizer on my skin before I apply my foundation. So after my moisturizer, I'm just going to apply some face primer. So I'm just going to use a random foundation from my collection and apply this all over my skin. So whenever I apply my foundation guys, I always start off by blending my foundation using a foundation brush first, just to get a little bit more of an even blend. And then afterwards, we're going to be using this sponge to blend everything out more. So as you guys can see, I'm done blending out my foundation using a foundation buffing brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the sponge to further blend out my foundation. This will help to get rid of any lines or streaks from the brush. So this sponge actually works fine. It gets the job done. But one thing that I really don't like about this is it's really dense. So you need to really bounce this all over your face. It's not as bouncy and less dense as other makeup sponges that I have in my makeup collection. I mean, it works, but since it's more dense, it's a bit uncomfortable to use, in my opinion. So now I'm just going to take a concealer and apply this underneath my eyes and any high points all over my face. I'm going to use the same sponge to blend out my concealer. I will be using the pointy side. So far guys, I am actually really impressed on how fast this sponge blended out my concealer. It looks really seamless, so that is actually really nice. So now let's go ahead and try out the LEMOOC Oil-Free Setting Loose Powder. They actually sent me the shade 03, which is translucent. It comes in a box, has a peach design at the front, and then at the back you will see all the information. They also included here that this product is cruelty cruelty-free. It has 8 grams of product and it has 12 months of shelf life. So once you open, guys, this is how the powder looks like. It comes with a really nice peachy orange container, and then once you open, it also comes with a free puff. So this powder actually don't have any scent, so this one is perfect for you guys out there who are sensitive when it comes to strong scents. So it did set my concealer really nicely, but one thing that I am actually noticing is that I feel like it has a white cast. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but I feel like it altered the shade underneath my eyes. It created more of a lighter shade, and whenever I move my face, I can see some white cast, especially on this area. But it doesn't look drying on my skin at all. It looks really nice. So before I finish off my face makeup, let's move on to my brows. I have here an eyebrow pencil. It comes with this Ziploc bag packaging. And then once you open, the eyebrow pencil looks like this. I'm not exactly sure how you can get precise lines with this tip. It has a really thick tip, as you guys can see, and it's not your usual wooden eyebrow pencil. I think you need to peel off the paper part right here to sharpen it. I'm not exactly sure, but let's go ahead and try this one out. It's a bit dry in my opinion, so you need to warm it up at the back of your hand. So this color is actually too red for my liking, but it's not that bad. So I'm just going to use fully to blend out the pencil. So once the product is already warmed up, it is much easier to use on your brows. So I'm just going to set my brows using a brow gel or brow mascara. So they actually don't have any eyeshadow or eyeshadow palette from their line. So I'm just going to do my eyeshadow off cam, and I'll be right back to share with you guys our next product. So as you guys can see, I just did a very simple eyeshadow look, and right now the next product we are going to try out is the LEMOOC Max Volume Super Curl Mascara. It comes in this packaging, and then once you open, the mascara looks like this. It's actually quite big than other mascaras I have in my collection. This is how the mascara one looks like. It's actually on the bigger side, so let's see if this mascara will work for my eyes. But before that, I will be using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes. So I am actually more of a volumizing mascara kind of girl. I like volumizing mascara compared to lengthening mascaras. I like that the formula is not too wet. It is actually a perfect formula, and so far it's not clumping up my lashes, so that's nice. So as you guys can see, this is the side where we added the mascara. It's not clumpy at all, and I actually like that the mascara helped to separate all my lashes. And this is the other side without the mascara. As you guys can see, it did a really nice job on darkening my lashes, and so far I can really see the volumizing effect. It's actually a really nice mascara. Like I said, I love the formula. I love that it is not too runny, it's not too dry as well, and so far I like how it creates a nice volumizing effect for my lashes, and so far it is holding on the curl of my lashes, so that's nice. So since I really love false eyelashes, I'm just going to go ahead and apply an outer corner eyelashes, and I'll be right back to share with you guys other products from Lemo. So now I am actually done with my eyes. I just added an outer corner eyelashes, and then I also went ahead and added a little bit of contour and highlighter on my cheeks, since LEMOOC has not released any contour and highlighter on their brand yet, but they do have blushes. So I actually bought 2 shades from their blushes. I got the shade 02 and 06. So it comes with this really cute light pink packaging, and then once you open, each of the blush comes with a small brush, which is super small. I'm not going to be able to use this brush. And then once you open, it comes with this really nice cute pink packaging. And once you open the actual component, it has a mirror and it looks like this. This one is 02, which is a pinky shade. So this is 02. So the next color I have is 06. 06 is more of a burnt terracotta shade. This one is perfect for the drunk blush makeup look. So this one is 06. So for my makeup look today, I'm actually going to mix these two shades. You can also use these blushes as an eyeshadow, but since I really wanted to just use this for my cheeks, I did not use this for my eyes earlier. So I'm just going to take a brush. Oh my god. That is so pigmented. As you guys can see, I added so much color, so I'm just going to blend it out. So as you guys can see, it's very pigmented, so be careful when using this blush. But I absolutely love the way it blended out on my skin. It doesn't have any patchy areas. I actually like this blush. My favorite shade is 06 because I love burnt orangey terracotta shades for my blush. It creates a really nice drunk blush look. So for the last product we're going to try out from LEMOOC, I have here 6 of their Hyper Stay Matte Liquid Lipsticks. And I'm going to be doing a quick swatches of all these 6 shades. But in terms of the packaging, it comes with this box packaging. And then once you open, it comes with a really nice tube packaging like this. I love that it comes with a clear plastic packaging because you can easily see the shade of the lipstick, and it also comes with a traditional flat doe foot applicator. So those are basically the 6 shades of the Hyper Matte liquid lipstick that I got from LEMOOC. I love the color selection. I actually love all the 6 shades that I've got. All of them actually complemented the makeup look that I'm currently wearing. And I love the formula, guys. It has the typical liquid lipstick consistency, but in particular, this one has more of a slightly runnier consistency. It's very lightweight. It dries to a beautiful matte finish. It's transfer proof. It's smudge proof as well. And it's very lightweight on the lips. It feels really soft on the lips. And I have a very dry lips recently. So I am really surprised that this liquid lipsticks applies beautifully on my dry lips. It did not emphasize any dry patches. It did not cling to any of the lines I have on my lips. So far, I really like this liquid lipstick from LEMOOC. I forgot to mention, these liquid lipsticks are very pigmented as well, as you guys can see on the swatches. I did not get any hard time applying this on my lips. One swipe is all it takes to create a full lip color with this liquid lipsticks. You can wear this as a full coverage kind of application, but you can also blend it out to create a blotted lip kind of look. So I really like this liquid lipstick so far. But for today's video, I think I'm going to be using the shade 104. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. So with this shade, guys, I will be applying this as a blotted kind of look. So I'm just going to use a bit of this and then blend it out. So the next shade I will be using is the shade 110, and I love this shade as well. It has a nice strawberry pinkish red kind of look. And with this shade, I'm just going to apply this at the center of my lips to create more of a dimensional lip color. So overall, guys, I am really happy with majority of the makeup products that I've tried from LEMOOC. And again, I would like to thank LEMOOC for sending some of your items for me to try out. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. And if you have any requests for future videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And please continue to support my channel by sharing this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!